Yes, unboxing video, as you can tell by the title. Gonna be unboxing a Nike box, not a football boots, so yeah, let's just jump into it. So Nike, so as I open it up, I've worn them all, I got them earlier, so I'm just gonna do it. But it's just a sneak peek of them. Oh, you guys know what make they are already. Oh, you know what they are. Let's just right and bang, here they are. Let's get the camera. These are the new Nikes. So yeah. So then they're the new Nike Huaraches. They're good on feet. I'll put them on. They are extremely comfortable on feet. Side angle from when you're wearing them. Another side angle. Oh, sorry about that angle, it's shocking. Louder football socks, yeah. So yeah, that's the unboxing video. Hope you guys did enjoy today's unboxing video. My first ever unboxing video. There'll be more out soon, so don't worry about that. Put these bad boys back in the box, shall we? Because, yeah. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe for more. So yeah.